Okay, I'm outside, and I was just looking around, finding things, and I found a puddle. If you can even see that. This grass is wet, and I'm wearing flip-flops, and I just showered, as you can tell. It's cold. Sorry, I was just shaking off my foot. But yeah, so we. It's just getting more and more wet. I'm done. Ambush. Okay, let me go back. I got this. Okay. I'm sorry for the shaky camera. It's cold. And I already showered. Okay, let's go. I got clickbait. I found an ocean in my backyard. Okay, let's see. Ew, it's so disgusting over here. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna flip the camera so you guys can see my beautiful view over here. Okay, guys, this is what we're dealing with right now. And watch as. Okay, I'm gonna go walk, and it's gonna get wet. ASMR. Okay. Ew. Okay, watch. It's gonna get disgusting. Sorry, my feet look ugly. Right here. This is what got me soaked. Ew, god dang, this is disturbing. What the hell is this? I think I found a dead plant. All that tree. This is disturbing. Now my foots are wet, my feet are disgusting, and my knees are ashy. Get these ashy knees out of here. Okay, so this is basically what we're dealing with. I want to walk in it. Do you think this is like poisonous? I mean, it's just water and grass. Oh wait, it's not that bad. Oh. Ew. Why am I doing this? Oh, this is some ankle crap. No, I'm done. Nope. Ew, my soggy feet. Okay, guys, that's all for Vlogmas today. Because now my feet are disgusting, and I'm about to go wash them again. I am not going in the bed with these ashy feet. This ashy. So I'll see you guys in my next video. What is this? What? Oh my god. See, I just kicked it up my booty hole. See, like, the rest of my yard is perfectly normal. I don't want to show you where I live, but, like, there's no puddles in the front besides this hole. Yeah, this hole. So, yeah. I think that's all. You hear my squeaky feet? Oh, yeah, and this drainage thing got a little bit. And then, let's not talk about that. Let's not talk about this. An anthill. Man, I'm discovering a lot in my front yard. Why is this so black? Oh, that was racist. Sorry for all you people out there. No more squeaky feet. I'm barefoot. Okay, I want my shoes back. This is disturbing. I'm gonna name this title Me Outside with an Ocean. It's great clickbait. This is my seat of the car. Look how beautiful our car is. Wow, it's beautiful. And then this is my handle. Go buy one of these guys at Chrysler. So yeah, that's all for the video. That's all I gotta show you. Besides one more thing, and then I'll leave because I'm really annoying. I like talking. I'm sorry. I discovered this weird-looking plant. This is where all the random plants are. Along with this mossy tree. Along with this big bush. Don't know where it came from. It's like a Japanese crap stuff. Because my dad was military, and I'm pretty sure we bought the tree in Japan. Not sure. Oh, it's getting soggy over here. It went up my panties. Oh, look, a banana tree that's dead. Oh, look, more wetness. It went up my leg again. That's all. That's all I gotta show you. I'm done. Okay. Anthony, if you're watching this, you're a Jew. Oh crap, someone's coming. Let me ambush. Oh, there's a truck. You hear it? You hear it? You hear it? Shh. Where are they going? Oh crap, that's my neighbor. Bye.